Hi, good evening. Now I am going to discuss about seminar on one of the case study based on formation of functional nanofiber electrospinning scaffold containing colonna and neem oil for bone tissue engineering. The abstract of the study was electrospinning is an emergency tool and a promising method to fabricate polymer nanofibers. The aim of this work was to fabricate electrospun polyurethane mat reinforced with colonna and neem oil for bone tissue engineering. It was confirmed that the fabricated novel composites possessed better physicochemical properties suitable for the bone tissue growth. First, what is bone tissue engineering? Bone tissue engineering is a multidisciplinary field which uses the scaffold for remodeling damaged tissue. The various defects occur in the bone were tumor ablation, bone science, osteolysis, and neurological defects. In general, these defects are produced by a disease or trauma. The remodeling of damage was still challenging in the clinical applications. To overcome tissue injury was emerged as a new approach for remodeling damaged tissue. The reason is that the tissue engineering scaffold eliminates limitations possessed by the traditional medicine. The traditional medicine used for the remodeling damaged tissue was autograft and allograft. The limitations of the traditional autograft and allograft were scarcity of donor, infections, and immune rejection. Next, in this study, electrospinning was used. Why electrospinning was used means the scaffold used for bone tissue engineering must possess necessary characteristics such as biodegradable, biocompatible, good mechanical properties, and also non-toxic. The scaffold produced by the electrospinning technique have fibers in nanometer range, which looks like the native structure of ECM. Electrospin is a versatile and cost-effective technique which involves a high voltage applied to the polymer melt. When the voltage increases to the threshold voltage, the polymer was converted into nanofibers and it was drawn at the collector end. The electrospun nanofibers helps in cell attachment and proliferation, favoring the bone tissue regrowth. The next we will see the material used in the research. The first is polyurethane. The base material they used was polyurethane. Why they used polyurethane means polyurethane is one of the common used polymer in making dressing material in the form of foams, membranes, and films for wound healing applications. The next material used was colonna oil. Colonna oil is a vegetable oil derived from the seed of Brassica napus, which is used as a cooking oil for making food varieties. It is considered good for people health owing to low saturated and plenty of polyunsaturated fats. The chemical constitutions present in the CU were tocopherols, phytosterols, polyphenols, and carotenoids. The active constitutions present in the colonna oil were reported to improve oxidation stability and also possess antimicrobial and antioxidant property. The antimicrobial and antioxidant property was mainly due to their biological constitutions present in the colonna oil. The next material used was neem oil. Neem oil was generally called as margosa tree. The botanical name of the neem tree was Azar ratska indica. It was mainly grown in the tropical countries of the world, and they possess various biotic constitutions, which is reported to possess better biological properties. The biological constitutions present in the neem oil, nimbin, nimbin, nimolide, and limonites. Further, it was very useful in curing various human diseases owing to its various pharmacological attributes. In the next section, in the next PPT, we will discuss about the how they prepare the scaffolds and various characterization techniques used for the developed scaffolds. Thank you.